Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 16 to 22, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, and comment na rin kung naka-resonate kayo. Okay, let's see, Sag. What is up? What's up, Sagittarius? And ano rin, happy birthday sa inyo. Happy solar return. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, and good health. Ayan. So let's see, Sag, what's coming to you? Pluto. Oh, transformation. Changes. This is a powerful change. Maaring you are you are undergoing a powerful change. This can be physical change or spiritual change. Ayan. Meron ding endings, new beginnings. Kumbaga sineset mo na ang 2025 for you ngayon pa lang. You also have solar calm to clarify. So, things are clear for you now. Kung may mga bagay na naguguluhan ka ng mga nakaraan, ngayon mas clear na sa'yo. Mas malinaw na sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve, ma-pursue. Ayan, focusing on your journey. I see some progress here, no? Merong improvement. May nakikita kang paglago, pag-unlad sa sitwasyon mo, whether this is a relationship, a career, a business. So you are focused on how to change your life for the better. Okay, let's see what else. Sagittarius. Oh, the sun. The sun is your vitality, yung lakas mo, yung confidence mo. You have the Three of Cups. Wow. So, Three of Cups is a celebration. I think this week, marami kang pupuntahang mga parties, celebration. Syempre kasi, unang-una, this is your birth month or birth season eh. And then, syempre, holiday season. Maari ring meron kang certain achievement. Oo. Kasi, the sun is like, you are in the center of attention. Maaring meron kang na-achieve for your career, for your business, or personal achievement to na sineselebrate mo. Wow! You have the 10 of Cups, 8 of Swords, Queen of Wands. A lot of things going on for you, Sagittarius. Yung iba sa inyo, kinukulang na kayo sa tulog. Oo. So, pay attention to your health. Kapag kailangan magpahinga, okay? You have the 10 of Cups here. Ang saya-saya nyo. I think you are enjoying the fruits of your labor. You are enjoying the people na you want to be with, no? Kasi syempre meron tayong mga circle of friends or family that gusto natin kasama natin sa mga masasayang mga panahon sa buhay natin. You have the Queen of Wands here and the King of Swords. I think meron kang major decision ngayon na you are breaking free. Kasi with the 8 of Swords, you've been thinking about it, no? Matagal naman itong pinag-iisipan na gagawin ko ba, ipupursu ko ba, i-explore ko ba, and you finally decided na i-explore mo na. Oo, kasi part of that exploration is the change that is going to happen sa'yo. Oo. So, kumbaga, parang yan coming out of your shell. Yes, you are getting out of your comfort zone. And at the same time, may precaution ka rin. Hindi naman to yung tipong napaka reckless, no? Na ito basta gagawin ko to. Wala nang hindi mo na inisip. So, for some of you, you are very careful and at the same time confident ka na kaya mo to, kaya mong gawin to. Let's see what else. Oh, you have the 7 of Wands. You're also setting boundaries, no? Sa mga taong alam mong red flag sa'yo. Oo. You are setting boundaries from people na alam mong hindi supportive sa'yo, or those people na they just want something from you. Kasi minsan mapapansin mo yan eh. Bakit tong taong to lumalapit sa'yo? Na lumalapit lang kapag may kailangan, pero pag ikaw na yung may kailangan, eh hindi na sila available. So for you, you are going to choose kung sino yung taong ipapaligid mo sa buhay mo at sasamahan mo. Okay? You also have the strength card. So this is your energy. Malakas ka. I see you also na improving your physical strength. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng kayo ay nag-gym or gumagawa kayo ng mga physical activities na magpapalakas ng inyong mga resistensya, ng inyong pangangatawan. Oo. So, ano lang, in moderation lang. Kasi, minsan kapag parang nag-obsess tayo sa isang bagay, like, pag-gym, inaraw-araw mo, naku, masakit sa katawan. There was a time na parang nag-obsess ako sa pagtakbo at jogging. So, araw-araw kong ginagawa yon for 1 hour every morning. Tapos, after 2 weeks, yung tuhod ko, sobrang sumakit siya na hindi ko na siya magalaw. Mahirap maglakad para kung iika-ika. And, isang buwan kong ininda yun, no? 'Diba? So, feeling ko may naipit na ugat or something. But, mga ganon, no? So, in moderation lang para iwas sa injury. Okay, you have the moon in Pisces in the 12th house. Wow, your instinct, your intuition is on point right now. I feel like you are going through a spiritual awakening. So, for some of you, this is your belief system nagbabago. Maari ring ine-explore mo rin yung yung spirituality. Oo. You are learning about different forms of divination, on how to connect to your higher self, meditation. You have Saturn in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Alam nyo, Sag, yung mga sacrifices nyo, it's all going to be worth it. Okay? Makukuha nyo yung dinideserve ninyo. You will have this fulfillment. And also, you have Sun in Scorpio in the 8th house. Yung iba, kayo ay mananalo. Mananalo sa kung anumang battle or competition na sasalihan nyo, or even sa investments ninyo. Some of you, harvest time. Ayan, you are the light. You are a light worker. You are, kumbaga, ikaw yung nagbibigay ng liwanag sa iba. I think meron ka rin kakayanan na yung magbigay ng payo, no, sa iba, and dun sila nagkakaroon ng clarity. Ayan, heart medicine. Let go of that does not serve your highest good. Yes, that's part of the transformation. Meron kang i-let go, ending a situation to prepare for a new beginning. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.